We are back in the Great Smoky Mountains on day 2 of my 3-day tour. I moved down to the Pisgah National Forest and the Linville Gorge for a road that is talked about by many. Old North Carolina 105. Located just south of Linville Falls, North Carolina, 105 is an easy gravel road that runs north and south for about 14 miles along the mountain ridge line that makes up the west boundary of the Linville Gorge. The Blue Ridge Parkway crosses through this area, so you know the views are going to be amazing. In all, you'll gain or lose about 2,300 feet in elevation, depending on which direction you're heading. The only type of vehicle I didn't see on this ride was a lowrider. This is an easy gravel road, if a bit rough and rutted in areas. No four-wheel drive was needed. I've heard a lot of debate on this road. Is it overhyped? Is it a must-do? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a beautiful ride with some great overlooks and many opportunities for free scenic campsites, epic hiking trails, then this ride may be what you're looking for. The day I visited 105, I was reminded of a full-swing summer at Moab. There were a lot of vehicles exploring and camping. It was the weekend, so not unexpected. I would not call this road smooth and was surprised by the number of normal cars being subjected to the bounce. As you ascend the northern end, you'll see most cars are making their way to various trailhead parking areas. Parking in most sections is pretty straightforward, but some spots may require someone to back up and pass. As you continue your climb to the ridge, you'll begin seeing why so many come up this way. Camping turnouts will begin appearing in the forest edges, slowly evolving from heavily canopied sites to sites that are overlooked perches with panoramic views of the Linville Gorge. When you begin to see these views on either side of your vehicle, you are riding on the ridgeline for another 12 miles. A dash cam doesn't do the views on this road justice. These views have lived in my dreams since childhood, and every revisit brings the resolution back into clarity. To give you an idea of what some of the trailhead parking was like, I pulled through the parking area for Wiseman's View. It's a short trip off the main trail and has plenty of parking, even on a busy day. As the trail nears its end, you'll begin your descent. In all, Old North Carolina 105 is a great scenic drive, and while not necessarily a must-do, it is worth a drive. There's one trail left in this series that I'll get up soon. Our last trail will take us to the southern end of the Cherokee National Forest. See you soon.